What's up, guys? Brandon here. So this Thanksgiving, doing things a little different, which a lot of people don't do. We're gonna go out to eat. We're gonna see how that is. Gonna see if these people are getting tips good enough on the holidays, and we're gonna save that big Thanksgiving dinner cooked tomorrow to have over the weekend. So let's go see where we're gonna go eat. All right, so we're just trying to get to that Thanksgiving dinner, but getting held up over here. These mofos just parked in front of us for 2 lights. Not one, but 2.
So far. Yeah, here comes the third light.
Unbelievable.
Thanksgiving. Just trying to make it to that
Here comes
Thanksgiving
the third-
takeout,
here
you know.
comes the third light.
Oh,
look.
my God.
Hey, bro. We're just trying to eat our Thanksgiving, bro.
I shouldn't have told you. I should have told you to go. You should have listened to me.
Right.
I should have went
Follow
straight.
your instincts. Oh! Yeah! Yes!
They're not supposed to be going.
No, he's pissed off.
Right. You're going now.
Go,
and they're
go,
freaking
just shoot
pissed.
across the intersection. People were like, fuck you, I ain't sitting here. It's a green
What?
light.
I'm about to just bust a U-turn and go that way and then go down. Oh, look, that intersection's blocked down there, too.
Right.
Oh my God.
The intersection way down there. Restaurants over there.
So what are they doing? I don't understand. What are
Make
they
a
doing?
right and let's go to Flanagan.
Oh my! You know how far we're from Flanagan's? We're right down the
All
street.
right, we decided on the Thanksgiving festivities.
Oh,
We're
look
trying-
at all the
oh,
cops coming now. Oh
I
my
don't
God.
believe this.
We're supposed to go to Bahama Breeze, but
Which is 5 minutes
Look
down
at
the
this.
road.
They're enforcing. Reinforcements arrived. Oh shit.
Something major happened.
Yeah.
Look at all the cops
Is
now.
that a
ambulance,
helicopter?
Ambulance, and I don't believe this.
put my parking brake on real quick.
Look, if that guy made a right, you can make a right.
I know, I
Make a
should.
right.
Yeah, but time
He's
we
leaving.
go around,
He's leaving. He's
Oh
leaving.
snap!
just go.
Dinner
Yeah.
has
Got a red
returned. All right.
Except for down here.
Happy Thanksgiving! We made it.
Oh yeah.
They have
Hopefully
food
we
still.
Don't have to wait too long. Well,
Or
it's
wait,
not that
we'll
late.
see. All right, and Bahama Breeze. Let's see how this goes. See if they got their turkey still. 6:15 p.m. All right. Oh, thank you. And we got in here fast. They said the party at 6 had to wait 45 minutes.
Toy supplier.
Okay, thank you so much. I gotta grab one more chair. Huh? Alright, we got lucky. We got sat immediately. And they got that Thanksgiving special right here. Let's see.
We got turkey cooking tomorrow. How you want
That Thanksgiving. I think I'm gonna just try that. Red for the first time because they didn't have the red stripe. The color looks alright.
Couldn't drink many of it, but one would be good.
Just one. All right. Here's that Thanksgiving dinner from Bahama Breeze. Let's see how it stacks up to
Look at Mama's.
the homemade stuff.
And look at Mama's.
It's got
Look at that.
the lobster shrimp fettuccine, but
Lobster
we
and
had to
shrimp.
do that Thanksgiving dinner. Gonna try it out.
see what the restaurants are doing.
All right, first impressions. It's pretty good. It's not bad.
Good.
Got a full turkey dinner in less than an hour with no prep work, no cleanup. See how it goes when I down this plate.
Thanksgiving dinner here, you know, bill not too bad. We got the tip down there, 20%. And there you go. 20% was $24, but you know, it's the holiday. We're gonna be tipping 25 to 30%. Because they have to work on Thanksgiving. You know, if you have the funds, go ahead and just tip them the 30%. We're gonna tip them a little bit more than 30% right now. I mean, I'm sorry, 25%. We're gonna tip her $30, give her a nice Thanksgiving dinner. You know, nice Thanksgiving night. So we just finished eating our dinner, Bahama Breeze Thanksgiving special.
Satisfied.
How was it? How was it?
Satisfied.
It was good.
My pasta was
my
delicious.
mom
I
didn't
loved
get the
my
Thanksgiving
lobster.
special.
Delicioso.
She got. It was better than we thought. We're gonna have to give them that, right?
Yep.
So
Didn't
eating
have to
out,
cook and didn't have to clean up.
eating out on Thanksgiving, not so bad.
The way to go.
I don't know about that, but it's an option.
And
It's a good option. It's a
dessert
good
when you
option.
get home.